Kube nzima ukusebenza emva kokuba ukhuzani bemdidisa abantu sawubona kuphina kopla kufuneka khona lo mbuso njengamanje kubingelela yena mathinta cosi intombi zomqamela amehla akhawenye zibaqamela imali twazi ngena wethu ngabe usikolo kholo kuqala la wethenza ukulungela press subscribe button share phinde comment ukhuluna konke uma subscribe ikhumala khamba so senze kube wena uqala uthola notification uma sikufaka ivideo phambili kanti ke ngabe umdala uyazidlana phana ku comment section ungakhohlwa upress button la join lapha khona ke udonate channel yakho ngemali oyithandayo ngani wethu ukhuzani kube nzima ukusebenza emva kokuba bese goli eSoweto eKagiso Stadium lapho khona ke abantu abagcina bemdida umqondo engasazi na ukuthi bafuna yiphi ingoma kahle kahle ngaphandle komusha isikhathi sakho umlalo wami uyazi ukuthi angijwayele ukumusha isikhathi ngixhume ngihlale phe kwe video engize ngayo
I'm going to drive past. How come you tell everything? How do you tell it? You put it right here, remember about it. If you want to go there, now you have a to 3. How about to 5? How about to 9? How about to 2? How about to 4? 5. How about to now? If you now, who's the one number? You put a 5. There you go. If I let go, you try to manage it.